What's up, baddies? It's your girl Tiffany H, and in this video I'm going to show you how I got these flawless brows and how I achieved this no eyeshadow look. So to start off, you want to take a mascara wand and brush your eyebrow hairs upwards, and then we're going to just slightly brush it towards the side. Now, you want to do this because you want to actually go ahead and solidify the shape that you want your eyebrows in. So after you do this, we're going to outline our eyebrows. I like to start by outlining it with a pencil, or you can use a brow powder or gel. And you start at the bottom by outlining your eyebrows, and then you want to take and outline the top. Once you're done outlining your brows, you're going to fill in your brows. Now, to start with the fill in, if you are using a powder, make sure you start in the middle filling in, because you don't want to use entirely too much product at the front. So you just want to take and use the excess powder at the front. And once you're done, you're going to blend it by using a mascara wand again. So again, we're going to first outline our brows, and then we're going to fill in our brows, and then we're going to blend with the mascara wand. And once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and outline the bottom with our concealer. And this is used just to conceal and clean up the bottom part of your eyebrow. This gives you that flawless look. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and put some concealer or some eyeshadow primer all over your eye. You're going to then take a eyeshadow brush and pat that concealer or primer down. You're doing this because you don't want any patches when you go to blend your eyeshadow. So make sure you pat it down before you start to blend. Then you're going to take an eyeshadow. I prefer to use, if I'm doing a no eyeshadow look, I prefer to use something that's more so skin tone as far as the eyeshadow goes, to go ahead and pat on over top of that concealer. We're going to pat, and then we're going to blend. This stops you from having any type of patch in your eyeshadow. And voila, you have this flawless glam. Now, if you like these type of videos, make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you can get more of these. Love ya.